Generations is a home care system used by home care agencies around the world who are looking to improve the quality of life of their clients.
Generations helps over 800 businesses, home care agencies in 9 countries around the world run their businesses efficiently and effectively.
One thing that sets us apart from our competition is our usability. We get a lot of positive feedback about how easy and intuitive Generations is to use. We also have highly developed functionality. We've been in the business for 18 years, and it's given us all of that time to collect feedback on important features and implement those.
Unlike many of our competitors, we offer unlimited support and training throughout the duration of our work with any particular agency, and that's something that home care agencies really appreciate about us, especially given the fact that new rules and regulations spring up every year, and it's important that the agencies have a software partner who they can work with, who will be responsive and available to them when they need it.
We were looking for a partner that could meet the demands of the industry and grow with us and be able to offer that reliable service that we pride ourselves on as well. As a company, it's important to us that we are there for our clients and that we see their success through our support. And we saw a similar philosophy from Liquid Web. We appreciate how you all have been there for us with your customer support and your services offered. Our partnership with Liquid Web has enabled us to continue to grow and to offer a reliable and sophisticated home care software solution. Because of our partnership with Liquid Web and because of the technology that we've developed, we have been able to offer a product with 99.9% uptime. Compared to our competitors, we have optimal uptime, and that's so important for this industry. People depend on the technology that they use to help deliver home care.
We find Liquid Web to be a very reliable partner, and we really appreciate the responsive customer support that we've seen over the past 15 years of our partnership.
We would totally recommend Liquid Web as a hosting partner. If you're looking for a reliable team with a valuable service, we would say go with Liquid Web.